Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a nail haul video and I'm just showing you these products I was sent from the Glitter Nail Angel. So it come packaged absolutely beautifully. I loved the little stickers that were on the envelope and this little card that they included. The whole company has a very sweet and positive vibe. They also included a little note which explains why they started the company and about the sad loss of their 2-year-old granddaughter. And it also says that they have a little section on their website which explains that they give a donation to their local hospital for every sale on their website. So do go over and check that out. I will leave the website linked below. Okay, so on to what was inside my nail mail. So I have this beautiful soap which was labelled as a free gift and it smells absolutely beautiful. As soon as I open the envelope, the smell hit you. It smells gorgeous. I can't wait to use that. And then in this beautiful little organza bag was the nail goodies. So they've got this huge glitter mix here which is called Always in My Heart, and I do believe this is one of their limited edition mixes and it is beautiful. It's got so much going on in it, but there's also these beautiful little iridescent hearts in there as well. I do use it a bit later on in the video so you can see it a little bit then, but I just wanted to run through everything that was included. So then we have this fine glitter mix which is called Cherryade, and this is a beautiful pinky red glitter. I love that their glitters do also come in pots, as I personally prefer pots to bags. So this one is called Oh Coral. And then we have Little Green Apples, and this one is so bright. Wait till you see it, it's amazing. Just look how bright that is. I feel like the coral and this green one will be perfect for Halloween nails. You know, they're nice and funky. And then we have this one which is called Purple Rain, and I absolutely love this one because purple is my favourite colour. And that's a bit more of a chunkier mix, but not too chunky. So then we have some Silver Leaf. Struggled to get the pot open on this one. And this looks a really great quality, and as you can see there's quite a lot in there. And then in this little pack there is some flakes. Now I was really pleased to receive these, as I'm really loving the designs that include flakes right now, especially encapsulated in acrylic. I love that effect, but as you know, you can use these in a few different ways to create a few different things. Now I was quite shocked that when I opened this it was absolutely full to the brim. When I've ordered flakes from some places before, you get such a small amount in the pot because a little goes a long way, but this pot was absolutely full. And then they also included the 2 applicators, which is nice as well. So keep an eye out because I will be using these very soon. And then there was these beautiful gems which say that they are blue, purple and gold tones, and they're mixed sizes as well. And I did also notice when I was looking on their website, they do also have a selection of Swarovski crystals as well. And then there's this beautiful yellow tape. I love that this has that iridescent effect to it as well because it goes quite nice with this foil. So they would complement each other in a set. And then there was this pack of material, and I absolutely love this. I don't have anything like this in my kit. I don't think I've even used any material like this before. So this was really nice, and I love that there's a selection of different colours. And then this one's slightly different. This is really pretty. I really like this one. And then also we have some netting. Now I quite like the colours this comes in. Usually whenever I use netting it's for imprinting in acrylic, but I loved that this was like neon. There's a neon pink, neon green and a reddy orange colour, because that neon pink one especially will look amazing encapsulated. So then I just wanted to give you a quick demo of a couple of the products in use. So I thought I would use that material and one of their glitters in this first design, just because I thought it'd be a little bit more fun than just doing a haul. So I'm placing down a bead of acrylic and I'm just blending that out, not worrying too much about creating a perfect fade or anything. I'm just literally blending it out. And this particular acrylic is Natural Beauty from Incandescent Shine. So I smooth that out, and then on the tip I'm going to use some of that beautiful orange material. So I'm just cutting out a small section as I only need a little bit. So as you can see, the size of this material means it will go a long way, because even this bit I cut out was too big for what I needed. And then I decided to just stick this down with a small bead of clear acrylic. I guess you could also glue it down, but I hadn't used anything like this before, so I don't know, I reached for my acrylic instead. Now it was a little tricky to glue down, especially working on a practice tip, as it meant I only had one hand. I just waited for that acrylic to start setting and then I just started pressing it into place. You could also put this over a matching acrylic colour or even a nude, and obviously it will create lots of different effects. So I love this kind of nail art, which ends up really versatile, and I can't wait to play around with it and create different things. So I just trim off the excess and then I just add in a few more, sorry, not a few more, a little bit more acrylic just to make sure it's stuck down so that I can put some glitter over there. So I'm just making sure that it's all stuck down all the way around, because if it was on yourself or even on a client, you want to make sure that whatever you're encapsulating is sandwiched fully between your layers of acrylic. And then I come in with some of that Eau Coral glitter. So I'm just picking this up with my clear acrylic. I'm just placing it down as I wanted to cover that join where the material and acrylic meet. I'm just creating a bit of a swoosh down towards the side of the cuticle area and just patting and pressing it out so it's all nice and even. And then I just come in with a few bits more glitter here and there until I'm happy with the design basically. And then once all that glitter has been applied and I'm happy with it, I'm then going to come in and encapsulate in my clear acrylic. And whilst you guys are watching that, I'll just quickly say that please check the description box. I'll leave the company website linked below with the discount code, but I will also leave a link to their Facebook and Instagram page. So do head on over and give them a like or a follow. As I'm sure we all know, it's really lovely to support smaller businesses, especially those that are just starting out. So a little like and a little follow can go a long way. And then once I've finished encapsulating, I will file and buff and do all that jazz off camera. However, whilst I was waiting for that to set, I did decide I'd show you another quick design. So I'm coming in with that same acrylic as before and creating a fade. So I'm placing that first bead down, pushing it out towards the cuticle area and then blending it down the tip. Now I did want this to just be slightly further down the nail, so I come in with another bead of acrylic. Just making sure to blend out the back so that there's no shadowing or marbling, and then just pulling it down the tip again. And then as you can see, it's faded out nicely so that I can then come in with my glitter. So I really wanted to use the Always in My Heart mix because it was probably my favourite out of the selection, as it is absolutely stunning. So you see it a little bit better there. And then here I'm just picking it up with my clear acrylic and placing it on the nail, patting and pressing it into place. And this glitter, it's got so many different colours in it, and it's got some finer bits and some chunkier bits, so it's really versatile. But I especially liked how it looked up against the nude. So just come in with another bead just so I could get a little bit more glitter, because you can never have enough. And as you can see there, you can see one of those chunky hearts. I'm just moving that around into place. Now I do believe that this particular mix is limited edition, so do head on over to the website and see if you can get your hands on it, as it is absolutely beautiful, and you get so much in the tube, like the tube is massive. So guys, I've then left you some clips of what those two nails look like. This was just a quick demo. I will have some more videos coming up using the products soon. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.